Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell versus Command, Prompt versus Bash. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between these three command line interfaces and help you understand why PowerShell stands out as a modern solution for system administration and automation. Whether you're new to command line tools or looking to expand your knowledge, this comparison will give you the foundation you need to make informed decisions about which tool to use. Let's start with Command Prompt. Commonly known as CMD. Command Prompt is Windows' traditional command line interpreter. Running as CMD.exe, it's a legacy tool that has been part of Windows since the early days, built on the MS-DOS foundation. CMD provides text-based output and supports simple batch scripting for automating basic tasks. While it's still available in Windows today, its capabilities are quite limited compared to modern alternatives. Next, we have Bash, which stands for Born Again Shell. Bash is the default command line shell for Linux and Mac OS operating systems. It's a Unix-based command line interface that offers powerful scripting capabilities, making it the go-to choice for system administrators working in Linux environments. Bash excels at automation, text processing, and system management tasks. Its rich feature set and widespread adoption in the Unix world have made it an essential tool for developers and system administrators alike. Now let's talk about PowerShell, Microsoft's modern automation framework. PowerShell is much more than just a command line shell. It's an object-oriented shell and scripting language built on top of the .NET framework. What makes PowerShell truly special is its cross-platform capability. Unlike CMD, which only works on Windows, PowerShell runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. This cross-platform support, combined with its powerful automation features, makes PowerShell an ideal choice for modern system administration and DevOps workflows. One of the most fundamental differences between these tools is how they handle output. Both CMD and Bash work with plain text output. When you run a command, they return text that you see on the screen. PowerShell, however, takes a completely different approach. Instead of returning plain text, PowerShell commands return objects. These objects have properties and methods that you can directly access and manipulate. This object-based approach is what makes PowerShell so powerful and flexible for automation tasks. Let's dive deeper into this distinction. In CMD and Bash, when commands return plain text, you need to parse and manipulate that text using string operations. This often involves using tools like grep, sed, or a wk in Bash, or find string in CMD. You're essentially doing text manipulation to extract the information you need. PowerShell, on the other hand, returns .NET objects with built-in properties and methods. This means you can directly access specific pieces of information without parsing text. For example, if you get file information, you can directly access properties like name, size, or creation date without any text manipulation. The scripting capabilities of these three tools also vary significantly. CMD offers basic batch scripting with limited functionality. You can create simple batch files to automate tasks, but the language is quite restrictive. Bash provides robust scripting with features like pipes, variables, functions, and complex control structures. It's a full-featured scripting language that's incredibly powerful for Unix-based systems. PowerShell goes even further by providing a full programming language with complete .NET framework integration. You get access to classes, exception handling, and the entire .NET library, making it suitable for building complex automation solutions. Let's look at a practical example to see how these tools differ in their syntax. If you want to list directory contents, in CMD you would use the dir command. In Bash, you would use ls-l, where ls stands for list, and the -l flag provides detailed information. In PowerShell, you use the get-childitem cmdlet. Notice how PowerShell uses a verb-noun naming convention. This consistent naming pattern makes PowerShell commands more discoverable and easier to understand, especially for beginners. So why should you choose PowerShell? First, It provides modern automation and management capabilities that go far beyond traditional shells. Second, it offers cross-platform compatibility, working seamlessly on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Third, its object-oriented approach makes scripting more intuitive and powerful. And finally, PowerShell has a rich ecosystem with thousands of modules and CMDlets, backed by a strong community. Whether you're managing cloud resources, automating system tasks, or building DevOps pipelines, PowerShell provides the tools you need. Let's recap what we've learned. CMD is a legacy tool with basic functionality, still useful for simple tasks, but limited in capabilities. Bash is powerful and essential for Unix-based systems like Linux, and Mac OS. PowerShell is the modern, object-oriented choice that works across all major platforms. If you're starting your journey in system administration or automation, PowerShell is the tool that will serve you best in today's multi-platform world. Thank you for watching, and in the next video, we'll dive deeper into PowerShell's core concepts and start writing our first scripts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.